Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this makeup look. It's just a Rey from Star Wars inspired makeup look. I mean, I'm hardly wearing anything, just like how she was in the movie. And I'm also going to show you guys how to get her little space buns because they're so cute and I love them so much. And I'm also going to be showing you guys all of my like little Star Wars collectibles because that's something that you guys probably don't really know about me, is that like I'm a huge Star Wars fan and I have a lot of little things that I collect. So I'm going to be showing you guys all that, and so if you want to see it then just stay tuned. Alrighty, so first I guess we'll start with the hair because that's the best part. Excuse my hair, it's a bit dirty, it's wash day, but that works well for me because then it actually stays up better. That's just like me. I think I mentioned this in my previous video, but like I just have really soft, like, as if that's a bad thing, but like silky textured hair, so if it's freshly washed then it just like doesn't really hold the style as well. So for this, what you're going to need is some, for me, I'm going to use some dry shampoo just to add some texture to my hair so that it grips better. And then a few, let me grab them, teeny clear elastics and probably some bobby pins and a brush. And this is just personal preference, but I like to have these really thin tooth combs, or like the Rattail combs is what they're called. So just to make even sections. So first thing I'm going to do is brush through all my hair because it's tangly. Okay, so now that that's nice and brushed through, I forgot to mention you'll also probably want some gel, or at least that's what I'm going to use to hold my hair. I'm just going to use this cheap one from like Herbal Essences. I think it was like $3. So also, I'm not wearing any makeup right now because I'm going to attempt to do her makeup, but I mean, let's be real, she was like hardly wearing anything in the movie, so it's just going to be a very natural makeup look. So first things first, I'll just take a little glob of that and run it through my hair right here. Especially right here, because first I'm going to section off the little triangle right here. And it's kind of hard because like sometimes her hair in the movie looks really neat, like she just did it, and then after she's been running around for a while it looks really messy. So yeah, I'm not sure, but first you just want to make a little triangle. I'm just gonna section off the rest of my hair for now. I'm just gonna comb it backwards and add a bit more gel. So that it's easier to hold. I feel like we have more hair on this side. Is that just me? So you just want to comb that backwards. And then take one of your little clear elastics and use that. Now that you've got that, should be good. I'm just gonna take the rat tail part of my comb and kind of pull on it to make it a bit more voluptuous, whatever that word was. And then there you have it, your first little section. And then you're going to take another section. It's pretty self-explanatory, her hairstyle. So I'm going to start like right here at like the tip of my eyebrows. And take some more gel. And put that in your hair. Okay. Then I'm just gonna take my comb and start combing it backwards. And keep looping it until you get to like the last loop of the rubber band. Make sure all of your hairs are smoothed down. and take it just halfway through the loop-de-loop. Now mine are going to be a bit bigger because my hair is a bit longer. Start now from the very top of my ears backwards. And include the tail from your previous bun in the next bun. Last layer, you don't have to be as neat with this one. Okay, so when you're done, you should have something like this. Voila! This one keeps going off center for some reason. Very annoying. Okay, so then, after you've done that, you just want to kind of fan them out a bit by pulling the edges. And if you have any, like if you have layers, you'll probably get little sticky out guys like that. I'm just going to use those as the part that she wraps around the base. But you will need some bobby pins, which I forgot to grab. So just take those little spikies and twist them up. And then just wrap them around the base of the bun. To pin it in place. There's her little space buns, and then if you want, you can like take like a boar bristled brush and forward comb some of your hairs to kind of give it like that messy effect that you've been like fighting in space and stuff. Alrighty, so now that that's done, I'm gonna move on to the makeup and be right back. Alrighty, so now that I have applied, that's Peyton over there, she's, it's fine, you weren't even hardly in it. So I've applied that, and then now I'm just gonna go in and like very, very lightly use concealer, and I'm just gonna spot conceal like any like pimples or anything I have, because she had really clear skin in the movie, obviously. Okay, and I'm gonna use this really tiny spot concealing brush. If you guys see me like moving super sassily, it's because I'm venting about school right now to Peyton. Okay, so I've just put on like all my spot concealing. I didn't try to make my skin look too perfect, as you guys can tell. I still like have freckles and spots kind of shining through because like she's not really wearing makeup in the movie, and she's gonna have like a sunspot. So speaking of that, I'm gonna go in and add some freckles slash moles, because like she spends all day long in the desert, so she's bound to have like some sunspots. So that's done. I just added some really natural freckles. I even put some like on my lips. I might put a few more, but I don't want to look like I have a mustache. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with some stains. That's like the key to this look. You just want to make it look like you have like a natural, fresh, like sun glow. So I'm gonna use my Posie Tint from Benefit and just put that like right underneath my eyes. There's your natural peachy glow. What other movies can you like rent? I need to go look.
Literally everything. You can look online. They have like an online catalog.
I wish I had a DVD player. I wish laptops still like had the DVD thing.
You have your Xbox, don't you, here?
Yeah, but we don't have my TV hooked up or anything.
Oh, I was gonna say you could watch
I don't know So now that that is done, I think I'm just gonna go in with a small bit of brown on the top of my lash line. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with a little, like, super small amount of eyeshadow. I don't even think she was wearing some in the movie, but like, I really want to use it because look, it's a Star Wars themed eyeshadow palette. And this one's the light side, and they also have a dark side one, which would be really fun to do, but I need to order it. But she's got really natural, like, colors. This one's from Cargo, which is like from Kohls, and look, the numbers, or like the names of the eyeshadows, are like the names of the episodes, which I think is so cute. So I'm just gonna go in with like a few of these little colors and try not to look like I have too much. I'm gonna go in with like a really light taupey color and put that all over my lid. And I didn't put any like eyeshadow base or anything on. And then I'm gonna go in with like the peachier color on my lower lash line. Just to kind of make my green eyes pop a bit. If you guys wanted another separate tutorial of me actually like using these eyeshadows, then comment down below, but I'm really like not gonna put a lot today. And then I'm just gonna take some inner corner highlight on my eyes and a bit on my brow bone. Then after that, I'm gonna go in and use the mascara as well. It's there was a dark side and a light side mascara. This one says the first order, but I got the dark side one because it's like volumizing, and the light side was lengthening, which I don't really need. So I'm just gonna like do a few really easy little blinks. I don't want to make it look like I really even have mascara on. Last but certainly not least, I'm gonna do the lips, and something in like the movie, her lips were really pink. So I'm gonna be using my Lipstick Queen one because this does like a really nice natural bright pink. And there you have it. I think that's everything. Alrighty. So there is my Ray inspired makeup look and hair. I hope you guys liked it, and now I'm just gonna show you guys like all of my little collectibles like I said I would in the beginning, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this part, but as you can see I've got some fun stuff. I've got like my makeup that I previously showed you guys, and then I've got my really cute little Star Wars pins. I've got like a Kylo Ren and then a little Porg, and then I've got those other two like clothing pins that I actually got from the Disney store and I love so much. And just zooming in on my makeup again, but I love that collection so much. I wish I could have got more while it was still out, but it was sadly limited edition. And then I've got my denim jacket that I put all my patches on, and I've just got my little Darth Vader patch I love so much, and then last but not least, the love of my life, Kylo Ren, and it talks.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time. I'm immune to the light. Don't fight it. You know you can't. Don't be afraid. I feel it too.
I love him so much. Okay, and then I've also got like a little movie stub there. And then I've got a shirt. And then I'm also wearing a shirt. Please excuse my messy room. But I've got my, it's my friend's hiding in the background. I also have a sweatshirt. You're not in it though, don't worry. Okay. And I've got my posters. And then I've got my little Porg. I love him. Okay. Alrighty guys, so that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and comment down below dark side or light. I'm definitely curious to know, and also let me know what you guys ship because I totally get into that. I personally am a Raylo fan, so comment down below and definitely hit the little bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and subscribe. Okay, bye.